YouTube AI shorts, they're dead. That's right, they're in the grave, and I cannot tell if this writing is going to be backwards or not, but rest in peace. So many people have given AI YouTube shorts a chance, and it just doesn't work. It doesn't work out. There are failed views, there is a lack of engagement, and these channels are not growing. Unless you know a secret. And guess what? I'm about to spill the tea. And it is an AI tool that is a game changer. So AI shorts are dead, and let me just rephrase that a little bit. A little dramatic, I know. AI shorts are becoming the norm, but here's the problem. Whether you're a content creator or maybe you're just a casual viewer on any platform out there, you might notice that AI is everywhere. And a lot of these videos are not getting the engagement that they might be deserving. In fact, they're barely getting noticed, which brings me to this question. If AI shorts are so easy to generate, why aren't some of them getting views? And the reason isn't that AI shorts can't work. It's more so the tools that people are using are not optimizing their videos for the YouTube algorithm. And AI shorts can work if you use the correct tools, which I will be revealing and I will be giving a demo. So within this video, I'm going to be walking you through some of the common mistakes that creators are making when it comes to relying on AI for content, and why these videos fail to capture attention, and how you can solve that problem as well. And the algorithm is flooded with a bunch of AI generated content, so it's getting a little bit harder to stand out. And it's not just AI in general that is necessarily the issue, it is the specific AI tools that you are utilizing. So AI generated shorts are a great way to come up with quick content, generate ideas, write some scripts. But here's the issue, they are so easy to create that there is no real difference between them. That means when viewers are scrolling through their feeds, they get some of the same ideas. And what happens when you generate content that is too similar to somebody else's is that it's not exciting and it doesn't hook people. And if your short doesn't stop people in their tracks within the first few seconds, those viewers are gonna be gone. Which is why it's essential to find a tool that is going to help us generate shorts that hook people and keep people watching. So we just need something that is going to stand out within the YouTube world. And I'll be honest, I have made this mistake myself because a few weeks ago for one of my classes that I'm in a digital technology class right now. And it was kind of fun because we had a whole week where we talked about YouTube channels and creating thumbnails and creating YouTube videos. And I had to create a YouTube video for my class. And the instructor even advised that we use an AI software to help us create the video. However, within the instructions, he made sure to say that AI can do a great job generating your content, but you need to know how to prompt the AI and how to add your own personality on top of it. So when I was doing this assignment, the project was simple. I really relied on AI, but I wasn't too impressed with the results. And that was kind of a turning point for me because I realized that AI can be a great starting point, and it is up to me to add that little creative spark, but also know how to prompt the AI. Alright, so next up, let me reveal that special tool that I've been talking about. I know everybody's like, what is it? Boom, idea. It is going to be Vid.AI. Which you might have guessed, spoiler alert, if you looked at the name of this channel. And there are a few reasons as to why Vid.AI stands out to me, and I'm going to share those with you. But this AI software does a great job at not only generating everything that we need, but it also gives you a great option to customize what it has already generated, whether it be playing with the script or playing with the AI generated images, or even playing with the prompt, or you can even put your own specific prompt into the software and put a whole script into the software as well. This tool automatically creates the type of short that is going to do well. It knows the timing, the pacing, and the hooks, all to keep your viewers engaged. Now, I did want you guys to check out one of these comments that I got on my other videos. This person is creating little history videos, and they say they started a week ago and they've created over 120 videos, and they already have 70 hours of watch time and have generated over 10,000 views from over 50 countries, which I think that is good because they started about a week ago. And it looks like when I went over to this channel, they have practiced a lot of consistency. So let's talk about why Vid.AI works better than other tools. First off, it hooks your viewers. You can have the most engaging content in the world, but if your video doesn't hook people within the first few seconds, which I hope this video did because I'm trying to do better at my intros and let me know if it was fun. But if your viewers don't stick around, especially when it comes to short form content, they're going to scroll right away within 2 seconds if they aren't hooked right away. But this just means when you use Vid.AI, you don't have to stress about the hook for your video. Another feature that I like is it takes care of pacing and timing. There is not 1 second within your video where it's going to be silent and it's going to be like, okay, can we get on with it? This AI software knows how to make your content flow and how to transition it from one subject to another. Maybe you're making a top 5 video, but it ensures that your content is structured for success, which I love. And also, as somebody with a short attention span, I do love watching these shorts. Surprisingly, you can also make them pretty funny. I love playing around with crazy prompts. And now my favorite feature of this AI software is the customizable aspect, because it gives you a solid AI generated base to work with, which just means you have complete control to tweak and change whatever the AI has already generated. Because at the end of the day, if you watch the short and you're like, hey, this is not engaging, you're a human, you know what's best, maybe change an image or maybe change a piece of the script. Next up, let's talk about how to create AI shorts that actually are going to work for your channel rather than working against it. So if you've tried creating AI generated shorts that have fallen flat, here's how we can turn that train around, or turn that bus around. You wouldn't necessarily turn a train around, a bus, though. I guess it's a train, just switch directions. I don't know. The first thing that you need to do is let Vid.AI create the structure for your video. But do not just stop there. Make sure you're adding your own flair and making little tweaks and adjustments to make your video the most engaging that it can be. Although you can rely on AI to do literally everything for you, and I mean, hey, I think Vid.AI can create a pretty awesome AI generated short all on its own. And I myself have used them and I haven't tweaked the videos because I'm like, hey, this actually is good, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But if there are any tweaks or adjustments or maybe little jokes that you have that you want to add in, do not be afraid to do that. One thing that I found though, it is easy to feel like you're using AI to quote unquote cheat the system. But in reality, AI is just a tool and it doesn't replace creativity. In my opinion, it can bring a lot more ideas to life. It's kind of like having a professional assistant that helps you with all the technical stuff. Because hey, if you didn't have AI, then you'd have to go film these shorts yourself instead of creating AI generated images within the click of a button. Next up, I have a crucial aspect that a lot of creators miss out on when it comes to posting on YouTube, whether it be shorts or even long form content. And that is going to be consistency, my friends. Consistency is key, which I am aware this is a terrible drawing. I literally just looked up key on Google. And it's kind of blending in with my light bulb in the back here. They're kind of blending together. As I'm holding it right now, it literally just looks like both. I guess it looks better on camera. I don't know. Anyways, you might create a killer YouTube short once in a while, but that is not enough. You might create a killer short once in a while. However, if you aren't uploading regularly, you're just killing your chances of success. The reality is, growing on YouTube is kind of a numbers game, I've figured out. It's not about creating just one viral video. It's about creating many great videos so you can increase your chances of hitting it big. Now again, you could create 50 videos and then one of your videos does really well. Do not stress, because a lot of the time, that's how it goes. You're going to get a lot of your subscribers from one video and a lot of your engagement from one video, which is why it's so important to stay consistent, because you never know which video is going to hit it big. And Vid.AI gives you the edge when it comes to consistency, because you're able to create engaging shorts in seconds, which is important to me because it is very important to stay on top of your posting schedule, but it is also very important to focus on the quality of your videos. You don't want to be posting 500 videos, but then each of the videos that you posted are just not it. You want to make sure that you are consistently in the game, and Vid.AI makes that a whole lot easier. Creating content consistently also means that you can play around with more ideas and more trends and more formats. You won't get stuck on trying to make the perfect video, and instead you can focus on improving over time, tweaking what is working for your channel and abandoning what isn't working for your channel. But with all of this being said, do not get discouraged if you do not go viral right away. It's a numbers game. Things add up. All right, now enough of me blabbing on and on, because some of you are probably like, hey, where is this AI tool? Can I see it? Don't worry, I'm going to give you a demo now. So right now I have Vid.AI pulled up and I have a new project going. Now this is where I can select which type of content do I want to make. Do I want to make a faceless short, a fake text story, or a split screen? Which this is new. I haven't seen this before, so I do want to play around with that after I make my faceless short. So let's click on making a faceless short, and this is where we can make our project title, Kayla's Cash, which is my YouTube channel. Wink. And now what we can do here is we can enter in a script. We could put a whole script in, or we could just enter a prompt and VidAI will write the script for us, or we can choose from the popular topics section. Do we want a motivational story, scary story, interesting facts, historical events? Scroll down, there's even more. Okay, I think for my short, I'm gonna have it be a little spooky story because for some reason these spooky trees over here are kind of encouraging me to do a spooky story. So I'm gonna say, you don't even have to do anything crazy. You could just do the popular topics and do a scary story, but I'm just gonna be a little bit more specific with my prompt. This is a scary story about wandering the woods in California, and the main girl finds an alien. Okay, I had a dream where an alien was in it, so now this is inspiring me. And the woods of California is because this is reminding me of E.T., if anybody has seen E.T. You know, I saw a meme the other day. It was terrible. Let me just show you. It says, I hated raw E.T. in the river so much. And it's when E.T. is like dying. That's so sad. He doesn't die. Don't worry. And then somebody in the comments said, well, he didn't enjoy it either. That's so funny. No, I hated the scenes when E.T. was sick. It was so sad. It was so sad. Anyways, here we go. Okay, so my inspiration came from the E.T. movie and then also my dreams because of aliens. And then I'm going to choose my narrator. We could go with a male voice, a female voice. I think I'm going to do a female voice. And then also the duration, we want it to be around 60 seconds long because it is a short. And then we can choose which type of AI-generated image do we want. Do we want it to be natural, anime, cinematic, comic art? You can kind of play around and see the demos that it gives you over here.
On a quiet evening, Lucy, a science enthusiast, decided to stargaze from her backyard, marveling at the fact that there are more stars in the universe.
But I think I'm going to go with a natural image, which is going to generate a very realistic image. Sometimes these images look real, you guys. You could also do a gameplay video, which would be good if you're doing a story time or a viral video, like these soap carvings, which are kind of addicting to watch. But I'm going to do natural so you guys can see how it generates images. Then I'm going to hit generate content. Here we go. I sit back and I relax. And here we go. My short has been generated. And this is where I'm talking about how we can really tweak our video if we choose to. So what I would do next is I would read through my script and see what is going on. So in the heart of California, a girl named Mia wandered into the dense woods. The deeper she went, the more the sounds of nature faded away. Blah, blah, blah. I would read through all of this. And then if you notice when I highlight over a part of the script, it highlights over an AI-generated image that it generated to correlate with the script. Now I would say I don't like this image as much because it says that there was a strange glowing object and it's 2 moons. I don't really want 2 moons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit regenerate and I'm going to generate an image. You could also generate a custom image if you'd like, if you wanted more specific example. I like this better. It's less like a moon. It's just a strange little glowing object here. Okay, let's say I don't like this picture either. I'm gonna hit regenerate. Again, we could do a custom image if we'd like. Let's see this. This is cute. I like this one a little bit better. More fun. This is cute. This is a cute story. It's a nice alien. He meant no harm. This is just like E.T. I love this. Okay, but this would be the part where I could play around with the script and I could add a joke in if I wanted to. Or if I wanted my script to be more scary, I could change it to be scarier. But I like this. So I'm going to hit next and I'm going to hit generate. And now it is generating my video for me. And here, just like that, my video is done. I've got a 35-second video about a cute little alien story. Now I could choose to put in some background music. I'm not 100% sure on which ones of these would be copyright free. What you could do is you could just export your project and put it into something like CapCut or CapCut. Yes, CapCut. For some reason I had a habit of saying CapCut even though there's no E, and cape would be with an E and cap would be no E. I know English, I swear. But then you could go to YouTube Studio and you could find some royalty-free music if you wanted to put some spooky music or intense music or maybe some sound effects from the CapCut library. And then this is the background audio. We could play around with the volume there. And here's the captions. Do we want it to be multiple words when the captions pop up or just one word at a time? You could do the font type, font color. I'm gonna do blue. I kind of want my font color to be blue and the highlight color to be pink. Blue and pink. I like that. That's cute. Font size, let's say I think the font is too small. I could pump it up a little bit. And then these are little effects we could play around with, but I'm gonna see what it generated for me.
Named Mia wandered into the dense woods. The deeper she went, the more the sounds of nature faded away. Suddenly she stumbled upon a clearing, her heart raced.
See, I like how right away it was like transports you into this little world and it's like, wait, what is going on? It sets up the setting.
In the heart of California,
we're in California.
A girl named Mia wandered into the dense woods.
And it's like, oh my gosh, Mia, why did you wander into the woods? And then it just automatically makes me want to keep watching.
Suddenly she stumbled upon a clearing, her heart racing. Curiosity overcame her fear as she approached it. Suddenly a figure emerged.
He's so cute, I love him.
Mia gasped, frozen in both awe and terror. The alien reached out as if to communicate. She felt an overwhelming sense of calm wash over her. I mean no harm, it seemed to say without words.
Cute.
Mia realized this encounter was meant to be. In that moment, fear transformed into understanding.
And there we go. We have a short, and it took me a few seconds to create. But I love finding an AI tool that allows you to play around with it creatively and change images and change the script or change the prompt or even put in your own script. For me, it's about finding the right tool that gives you the best foundation to build on. And VidAI is a game changer for any creators out there that want an AI tool to do the heavy lifting for them. So with all of this being said, AI shorts are not dead. They're just waiting for the right creators to use the right tools. And if you want to see real results, VidAI is the tool for you. Make sure to sign up for VidAI below. We put together a discount for you guys. You won't want to miss out. And check out this video for a free training on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. And your host for this video was Kayla's Cash. So make sure to check out my channel as well. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Maybe we'll see you here, or maybe check out Vid.AI. Play around a little bit. Bye.